In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and St. John's Primary won and decided to send Mineral Heights Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Mineral Heights Primary and Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately before Jude?
Third John's.
Judge? We'll accept 3rd John. St. John's, which book of the Bible comes immediately after Zechariah?
Amos.
Incorrect, it's Malachi. Mineral Heights, science, what is the name of the force that attracts all objects with mass towards each other?
Gravity. Gravity.
Correct. St. John's, what is a name for the measure of the force of gravity on an object?
Mass.
Incorrect, it's weight. Local affairs, this is a visual question. Mineral Heights, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Abika Fitz-Henley.
Incorrect, it's Mikel Phillips, the MP. St. John's, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Philip Palwell.
That's right. Mineral Heights, English language, which 5-letter word starting with C is a synonym for savage?
Crave.
Incorrect, it's cruel. St. John's, which 5-letter word starting with C means to long for something?
Crave.
That's correct. Mineral Heights, it's a visual question, television. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Star.
Incorrect, it's Daria from Finding Nemo. St. John's, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Nemo.
Incorrect, it's Marlene from Finding Nemo. General knowledge, this is from Mineral Heights. Which form of music was made popular in the Caribbean by the artiste, the Mighty Sparrow?
Calypso. Calypso.
That's correct. St. John's, which form of music was made popular in the Caribbean by the artiste Beanie Man?
Reggae.
Incorrect, it's dancehall. Mineral Heights, social studies, which ocean covers approximately 20% of the Earth's surface?
Atlantic.
That is correct. St. John's, which ocean basin of the Atlantic Ocean is largely surrounded by the North American continent?
Pacific Ocean.
Incorrect, it's the Gulf of Mexico. Mineral Heights, music, to which family of instruments does the xylophone belong?
Percussion. Percussion.
That is correct. St. John's, to which family of instruments does the harp belong?
Woodwind.
Incorrect, it's string. Mineral Heights, mathematics. How many times can you get 0.001 from 100?
$10,000.
That is incorrect, it would be 100,000. St. John's, how many times can you get 0.05 from 250? Mineral Heights, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. 500.
That's incorrect, it's 5,000. Sports, this is a visual question for Mineral Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sherika Jackson.
That is incorrect, it's Victoria Ohirogu, the British athlete. St. John's, back to you. Sports, visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Yonanai Wisdom.
Incorrect, it's Zarnell Hughes, the British athlete. And that brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are Mineral Heights Primary on 5 and St. John's Primary on 2. We go to the break for a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Create a daily study routine by working at the same time each day so your brain gets used to it. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.